The AI revolution is transforming the world, but for most people, earning from it still feels out of reach. Traditional online work demands long hours. Powerful hardware is expensive to buy and costly to maintain. And navigating today's financial markets can be complicated, risky, and time-consuming. Now, there's a smarter way. Welcome to Pay Holdings, the decentralized cooperative AI compute network designed to make advanced technology accessible to everyone. Getting started is simple. Choose the AI job task package that fits your goals, activate your node, and let your cloud-allocated computing power process advanced AI workloads automatically. As each task is completed, your data is securely delivered through the global network, allowing you to earn daily commissions from eligible AI job tasks. Take your earning potential even further with quantitative AI crypto arbitrage trading, where intelligent algorithms identify market opportunities across multiple exchanges with speed and precision, while your digital assets remain securely under your control. Expand your network, connect with others, and enjoy fast withdrawals through our secure global peer-to-peer payment system. Join a growing community that's helping power the future of artificial intelligence through decentralized computing and intelligent financial technology. Pay Holdings, powering the future of AI. Activate your node today.
Hi there, this is Bill Amirault, co-CEO of Pay Holdings, and I'm here to address the valued members of our PPH community. I want to extend the warmest greetings that I can from the executive leadership team, and I'd like to express our sincere appreciation for your continued commitment, dedication, and contribution to the growth and development of our expanding global community. Your passion, hard work, and support have played such an important role in helping us expand our vision across different regions of the world, with many more to go. We're pleased to announce that preparations are underway for our international convention in New York City, scheduled to take place from Wednesday, the 16th of December through Saturday, the 19th of December, 2026. This convention will serve as a remarkable opportunity for qualified members, leaders, and representatives from around the world to connect, share experiences, celebrate achievements, and discuss the future direction of our community. The qualifications are this. Members who meet any of the following requirements on or before October 31st, 2026 will be eligible to attend. The requirements are as follows. Number 1, marketers and team leaders who achieve $700,000 or more in cumulative sales. Number 2, members who have attained the PP anti-gravity sphere package at the $220,000 package level. Number 3, a maximum family group of 3 members who have attained the PP Galaxy Overlord package at the $550,000 package level. Some more important information about the convention. Pay Holdings will cover approved flight tickets and accommodation expenses for all qualified attendees. The company will provide breakfast each morning during the convention period, and members will be responsible for any additional personal expenses. The official invitation letters will be issued to qualified members who require them for visa application purposes, and will also work with different embassies to make sure that you get the appropriate visa. We encourage all members to remain focused, committed, and engaged as we continue this exciting journey together. Every milestone achieved represents the dedication, teamwork, and determination of our growing global family. Also, as our promotional phase gradually comes to an end, we wish to inform all members of an important update regarding the AI Job Task Program. Effective August 1st, 2026, the daily earning rate for all AI Job Task packages will be adjusted, with a 1% reduction in the daily percentage earnings applicable to each package. We encourage all members to take note of this change and plan accordingly by still taking advantage of the current earnings. Additionally, future discussions concerning future program enhancement, strategic initiatives, and other important decisions will take place during our international convention in New York this December. Any proposals approved during the convention will become effective the 1st of January, 2027. We sincerely appreciate your continued trust, loyalty, and the invaluable contributions to the growth of Pay Holdings. Your support has been instrumental in our journey, and we remain committed to building a stronger, more innovative, and globally connected community together. We look forward to welcoming you to New York as we celebrate our achievements and shape the next chapter of Pay Holdings. Thank you for your continued commitment and support. Sincerely, Bill, the Executive CEO, and all the other members of the executive leadership team. Until we meet again, have a great evening.
All right, big welcome to everybody who is currently on the call. I want to especially welcome you to tonight's call. I'm your host, Lucky Matthew. Tonight we're going to be doing practicals. We're going to be looking at how we can actually get on board, sign up, and of course buy a package, and then of course submit our AI job tax. All right, submit our AI job tax. So without much ado, please join me as we go practical. If you're joining me here, please share the meeting link with your people and remind them that the meeting has just gotten started. We are trying everything possible to shorten our training hours, right? Training time. So please do that while the meeting is ongoing. So I'm going to be taking you through the tutorial on how to register on Pay Holding platform. Now, let me see if the possibility of actually making it smaller to a device standard. Okay, so now it's currently looking like a device, like your smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do, to get on board is going to the link someone has sent you to get on board Pay Holding. Now, Pay Holding is a US business, all right? It's a company that came from the United States, all right? And we've seen the founders, they are white, all right? We've spoken to them, they are white. Even the last video, the introductory video that was just played right now, you can see it's a white person, all right? So I don't want to talk much on that. We have various videos that have shown these people on our various trainings. So let's focus on the practical area. Now, let's assume someone sent you an invitation link from, say, WhatsApp or Telegram or wherever, even also on Facebook or wherever. All you need to do is to click that invitation link. But this opportunity is community driven, right? Membership driven. So for you to take part of this business, someone must invite you to the business. So every person who has signed up already has their invitation link. So if you're on board and you don't know your invitation link, please reach out to your leader, the person who brought you on board, to actually guide you to getting your invitation link. Then you can use it on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or Telegram to invite people to meetings like this, or to even sign up directly. So we move on. The moment you click on the link from WhatsApp, you're going to be brought to, I'm using WhatsApp as an example, you're going to be brought to the platform, the interface of Pay Holding with using that invitation link. So on Pay Holding interface, you're going to see select earning portal. We operate two high-performing digital earning systems. One member registration grants you global access key, all right? So you have a global passport to the two opportunities. Now, we have the first one, is AI quantitative trading. This has to do with automated arbitrage trading. And automated arbitrage trading has to do with buying cryptocurrency on one exchange at a cheaper rate and selling it on the other exchange at a higher rate, earning the profit. So it is the robot that helps you buy the product, right? It is the robot which helps you buy and sell this cryptocurrency on your behalf. So if this is where you want to go to, you need to click on Enter AI Crypto Portal. This is a doorway to that portal. If the other one is Pay AI Job Tax Arena, so this is another gateway. This is the gateway to the AI Job Arena, where you have to allow the AI to do your job, do AI tax job on your behalf. So all you need to do once you're on board is to actually use your IP address to submit the AI completed job, and you will make money. You share the income the company, AI PlayPay company is actually making from their partners. You share that income, because without your input, without you submitting that AI completed job, they will not get paid. So the moment they get paid, you get your own fraction of that payment. So without much ado, I'm going to go in here now because I want to use this as an example. So I'm going to click on Enter AI Job Tax Portal. So I click on it. Once I click on it, it takes me in. So if you're coming in, for example, from the United States, this is your country. If you're from Nigeria, you click here to select your country of registration. So they have a lot of countries. So let's say Kenya, you choose Kenya, and you type on the search bar Kenya, and Kenya will appear, and then you select it, right? That's exactly how it works. So if you choose Nigeria, Ghana, Cameroon, or any country of your choice, just choose it, and then you be able to see your country, and then you sign up. So this is the sign up interface actually. Where we were just now, where we currently are, is the login side, but this is the sign up side. So on the sign up side, you choose the country of your country, your full name, your email address, password, and you confirm your password. By default, because you clicked the invitation link that someone gave you to come on board, the moment you click on it, it's going to open this Pay Holding portal. And if you are currently at that point, at this registration point, by default, you would see the invitation link, that person's invitation link here by default. So you don't need to manually paste it here. But let's assume you just went to Pay Holdings and you're not asked for that invitation link. You need to go back to the Telegram, the WhatsApp, or wherever chat box they sent you that link through. You go there, copy that link and paste it here. You click on confirm, and then you click unlock my an account, and they will send you an OTP on your, or rather email confirmation on your account. All right, so that is exactly how it works. So once you've registered, the next thing you need to do is to sign in, right? You sign in using that your registered email and password. So I'm going to be logging in now, but just give me a moment. Let me change it to this country. Okay, so then I will have to now click on signing. I click on signing. So I've just clicked on it, and now waiting. I discovered that since I formatted my laptop, it became very slow. So by tomorrow, I'm going to be taking it back to people who formatted it for troubleshooting, let them know exactly why it is lower. Everything, the RAM and everything is high, it's high speed. So for some strange reasons, it is slower since I got it formatted. So perhaps there are some drivers that was not properly driven on the laptop after formatting. So we are in on the account. Already, this account has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 packages under the AI tax job arena, all right? And one of the reasons why I pay close attention to this side is because unlike the quantitative trading, which is the arbitrage side, the income here is predictable. So you can actually plan with this and calculate with this. If you're owing someone money, and you know exactly how much you're earning every week, you can make a promise based on that. So don't worry, by next Friday evening or afternoon, I will pay you your money that I owe you. But the crypto side is not fixed, so you can't really predict it. The price, the income changes. Although I have the crypto also, these are the AI job tax. If you come down, I equally have the orange color one. These are the AI bots. These are crypto trading bots. This one's about 5 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 of them actually, but the rest are AI tax job because of what I just told you. So if you're arriving here for the first time, you're not going to see so many things that you're seeing on this place. You're going to see this notification. You're going to see this AI job tax customization guide, but you're not going to see the amount, right? This area is going to be practically empty except this daily earning rate adjustment announcement, right? You're going to see this one, but you're not going to see all of these AI job tax that are here. You're not going to see them. Your balance will be 0, right? Your balance would be 0, right? Just hold on. So your balance would be showing 0 at this junction. So what you need to do if this is a fresh account is to click on deposit. I'm going to click on it now. I have clicked on it. So I'm waiting for you to take me.
Let's fund your account.
The deposit interface. So at the deposit interface, right now we are observing manual deposit. And for me to do that, I'm going to have to put in the amount, copy the address, the company's address, right? I'll copy it by either selecting it or just click on copy. It's going to copy the address automatically. You go to your wallet, external wallet where you have your USDT. Yes, the income or the money, the currency we use to make payments here is digital dollar, known as USDT. So this is a dollar business. So this business helps you to earn money in foreign currency, in dollars, right? USDT is a digital dollar that is tied to the growth of real dollar. So 1 USDT is equivalent to $1. So at this junction, copy the address, go to your wallet, and send the exact amount you plan to deposit here. You send that exact amount here on this enter amount. Once you send it, and then you come back here, key in the amount you sent. You key in the amount you sent, and then you come down. The moment you send it, you're going to see what they call transaction hash key. Everybody who has ever sent USDT from his or her wallet to someone else will see the moment that you send it out, you're going to see something, a report that shows amount has been submitted. And then you wait for like 2-3 minutes. The moment the money leaves your wallet officially, the transaction history, the transaction ID or transaction hash key, it can be called TXID or TX hash or hash key, will be made available instantly on that your payment or withdrawal interface. So all you need to do is to copy it. It's a long string of code, a little bit longer than the address. You come down on the Pay interface, put in the amount. Don't forget to put exact amount you sent. All right, and then come down and paste that your TXID or transaction hash key. Paste it and then click confirm and submit deposit ledger. Now I must tell you here that this is a temporary measure by the company, because I believe very soon we're going to see PayU being restored, or a new payment gateway being restored, because they are currently working on it. That's why they provided this temporary measure for depositing. And this will also be almost as fast as automated. That is what I have made to know, or we have made to know. So you submit it and then you wait a little bit. With this transaction ID that you submitted, the company will then go and check out within milliseconds or minutes, check out your deposit using your transaction ID. That transaction ID is actually like a reference or transfer reference. When you send money to the bank from your account to another account, there's always a reference number with which your account officers or you can actually use to look up your transaction. So they will use your ID to look up your transaction. So when they look it up and see that everything matches, they credit your account immediately. So that is a manual process. And we believe that very soon they're going to have built fully automated again, because that is the best option for them, I believe. So let's assume you funded your account. You need to click on the menu at the top right. That is, if you're not using a laptop to operate, you click on the menu at the top right, which is like hamburger, right? It's called hamburger in web design, but generally we call it menu. Click on it. And once you click on it, there's going to be a drop-down menu. And then you click on Earn and Trade. You click on Earn and Trade. Then click on AI tax job. And then it's going to take you to the AI tax job arena, right? But if you wanted to do the crypto side, you don't need to come here. You don't need to come to AI job arena. You go to, you click on the menu again, you click on crypto arbitrage bot. It's going to take you there, all right? So the way and manner the crypto arbitrage deposit works is different from the way the AI tax job works. The AI tax job, you need to deposit first to your main balance. And once you've deposited, then before you can now go and buy your machine learning equipment or package, right? Before you can go buy your machine learning package. So I'm going to go back there. And then I'll go back there. So we're currently on the AI tax job arena. Just I'm waiting for it to respond. Like I said, the laptop is a bit slower, but I believe after tomorrow it will be better. It's going to be better after tomorrow. So currently, I'm currently on the AI job tax arena. Because you just deposit money, your money should be available on here, the main balance, your main wallet. You will see it here. If it is 1,001, if it is 10,000, $11,000, if it is $110, you will see it here. Okay, so that is exactly how to do it. So you come down. Now the next option is the next line of action should be buying your package. I already have a lot of packages here, about 14 of them, which I'm going to be buying extra today to make it 15, because I have a target to reach, right? Before I think about withdrawal. So I'm going to go down towards the bottom where we have the various packages. Now we have the smallest package is $110, right? The second one is $220. The $110 actually pays us about $4 per day per tax submission. So we submit the AI completed job every day from Monday to Friday. And on Saturday and Sundays, I work free day. So, and each package has its own unique amount or dividend that you share with Pay Holding Company for submitting the AI completed job. So this one gives you $4, $110 gives you $4 per day per tax submission. $220 gives you $8 per day dividend per tax submission. $550 gives you $22.5 per day per tax submission. This is the one I'm going to be buying next today. And then $1,100 gives you $45 per day per tax submission. We have 2002 gives you $92 per day per tax submission. And then we have 5,005 gives you about $237.5 per day per tax submission. $11,000 gives you about $480 per day per tax submission. And then we've got 55,000 gives you $2,500 per day per tax submission. And $110,000 gives you $5,200 per day per tax submission. $220,000 gives you about $11,000 per day per tax submission. So we have other bigger ones. In order not to waste our time, let's quickly go and buy our package. Now, it's assumed that you've deposited money. Right now, I want to buy 550 package. Now, because I have purchased before I even go there, I want to quickly show you something. If it's your first time, you're going to see activate node, the button called activate node. But if you have activated it before, it's going to change from activate node to mount another. So I'm going to go right away to the $550 package because I have some money, about $720 for my income, part of my income for the week. So I'm buying $550 package again to increase my stake in the system. So I click on mount another right away because it's assumed that I have deposited money. So I click on mount another. Then it's going to take me to a confirmation page to show me that, yeah, there is a VAT. The fraction on top each of the money is actually a VAT payable to the US government. And the base amount is the money I'm actually spending for my to subscribe to the AI machine learning node, right? So I'm going to click yes, subscribe. And also, you see clearly my income is showing here that I'm going to be getting every day is $22.5 per day per tax submission. So I want to open your eye to some opportunities tonight. Just pay attention. So I'm going to click on yes, subscribe. So I want it to actually be pointed before I click on it. I noticed that the laptop, like I said, is a little bit slow, so please bear with me. So I've clicked on it. So it is processing. All right. So I have subscribed to this package again. I think its name is Pacesetter, right? Pacesetter. So the next thing I want to do is to let's start earning now. So I'm going to click on it. Then it's going to take me inside again. So I'm inside now. So my next line of action is to now go and submit my AI tax job for today. The moment you buy your package, so long as it's between Monday and Friday, you can submit your job the same day, right? And start earning the same day you come on board, the same day you start earning your first income. So I'll go right away. Let's quickly go see the job that I'm to submit tonight and see how much I'm going to be earning. So if you see right now, my daily income has been increased to roughly $200 per day per tax submission. That is $199.4 per day per tax submission. So if you do the maths, let's quickly do the maths. Can someone do the maths right away? If I'm earning 199.4 times 5 days in a week, that's about 997. So my target is actually to hit $2,000 per day and more, right? Is a step-by-step. So right now I'm currently on $997 per day, per week, per week. So I'm almost hitting $1,000. Woo! So I'm going to be doing it now. I'm going to be submitting to this job. So what is the job? You need to read through it. That is, if this is your first time. One of the step one here is to how to get started. Step one is to choose AI job tax package and pay for it using direct crypto deposit or via agents. Right now, I currently patronize crypto deposit because the agents are not available yet. Maybe very soon, when I have enough USDT, I may apply to become an agent to supply people from my region. Other countries can probably do just if they have USDT to become an agent. So step two is to read through today's computational job briefing. Step three is to click Start AI Job Tax button to initialize your tax. Step four, wait until the job tax is 100% initialized and completed and that you could see your calculated scientific report. Then step five, click on Send Completed AI Job to Partner and Claim Daily Commissions button, right? So, and then note, AI job tax are only available and rewardable only on Mondays to Fridays. No tax on Saturdays and Sundays. Please take note of that. So now let's go read our job briefing. Ordinarily, this would have been very cumbersome for some of us and project the tidal dissipation. I think I've seen this job before. Okay, so you click on it. I mean, if you were to do it yourself, it would have been cumbersome, right? Some of us will not earn money every day if we were to do this crazy mathematical or abstractic, I mean, if there's a word like that, an abstract, you know, if there's such a word, something totally strange, right? It's going to be difficult for some of us to earn money if we're to do it from our head. But good news is the AI has been positioned by the company to help us solve all these complex tasks, and yours is to help them submit the AI completed job to their partners and claim your income. So the first process is to click on Start AI Job Task so that the AI will then summarize the task it has done on your behalf. So you start AI Job Task, and then you watch. See, I know it's going to be slow a little bit because of the laptop, but if you do it on your smartphone, it is faster. All right, so within milliseconds, it's going to complete it. It's going to crunch the variables, and then the next thing you need to do is to submit. Send completed AI job to partner and claim your daily income, daily dividend or commission. And of course, you could also see the summary of the completed job before you even submit it. All right, so you click this button and boom, you get roughly $200 on your account, depending on the package you have. Depending on the package you have. If you look up, you will see my tax pool. It has increased by $200 something, $203. So imagine earning $200 every day. But this is not, to me, it's still small. I'm aiming at something huge because the company just got started. I also know that the challenges they're having now is just a hiccup that it's like a mountain that must be brought down, that must be overcome, right? It's like a hurdle that must be jumped over, right? So there's always light at the end of the tunnel. I have been to so many companies or worked with so many companies in the past that some of them started with manual payment. Some of them you may even need to send them crypto, and then they will be the one to manually credit your account, purchase your package on your behalf. But this is a little bit better right now. So take advantage of it especially because in the next few days, the income we're going to be getting per day per tax submission is going to be reducing by 1%. So right now, in total, I have about 15 packages. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have about 15 packages all together, which is giving me a roughly $200 per day per tax submission. So that's roughly $1,000. By the grace of God, this week also, all things being equal, I will be able to buy another. I'm even aiming at buying $1,000 package next, so that $1,100 package next to speed up my expectations. All right, so that's it. So with this, let's assume I have made money, right? And I want to cash out. I need to simply go to my main wallet. If your income is not on your main wallet as it is right now, it should be somewhere around your AI tax job wallet, right? You click on transfer max to transfer the exact amount you want to withdraw. You send it to your main wallet. You cannot withdraw it from here directly. You must send it to the main wallet before you talk about withdrawal, so which I have just done. So I'm sending it now to the main wallet, and if we go to the main wallet, we'll see it reporting there. So have I passed it? I think we've passed it. Yeah.
You have successfully submitted your request.
It has added up. So if I want to withdraw, is to click on withdraw now.
Let's take you to secure withdrawal method.
So it takes you to the withdrawal platform, and you see a notification from the company. You see, this is a company that has good intentions. They know they were going to be having some delay. They notified us beforehand. right? Automatic withdrawal are currently unavailable due to temporary downtime with our third parties. Okay, so just in a moment. Sorry about that. I have just muted it. Someone was noisy over there. So once you're on the withdrawal page like this one, all you need to do is scroll down. You will see withdrawal amounts in USD. So you quickly key in the amount you want to withdraw. Let's assume I want to withdraw $10,000. Hallelujah. This is where I'm aiming out that in a week or when I want to withdraw, I hit withdrawal and $10,000 will hit my local or my private wallet. That is my dream, guys. That is my dream. So I'll quickly come here and insert my withdrawal address. And take note, it is USDT BEP20 network. USDT BEP20 BEP20 network. If you insert another wallet, chances are you will not get paid at all. Whether it's manual or automatic, they specify the network they want to pay you with. So put it there. If, let's assume you don't even know, maybe you're used to TRC20 and you just see BEP20, you need to go to your platform and click on deposit on your exchange wallet. Choose BEP20 instead of TRC20 because these are networks. Networks are more or less different channels that leads to one destination. USDT is one, but the networks, USDT has got a lot of networks which represent different cryptocurrency companies' blockchain. So if you use a wrong address or you're sending to a wrong address, the money will not get your account. So you put in the BEP20 and then you hit withdrawal. It's going to be submitted, and then within minutes, they process your withdrawal. So this is how it is now. Previously, it was very fast. So I don't know how it's going to be this week, but I want to tell you that no matter the situation, just be rest assured that your income will be given to you. That is, let me not just say because Lucky Matthew is saying, I'm saying based on faith, all right? I believe that the system will give you your money that same day. Just start on time, submit your request, and be rest assured, right? Except like me, what I do these days, I've only withdrawn once. I did $500, but I have a target. My target is, like I said earlier, to hit a certain amount of withdrawal. Now I'm around $1,000 per week withdrawal, but I want to continue to do more to hit even a higher withdrawal per week. So when I'm hitting my withdrawal, when it hits my account, I will know, yes, I'm actually taking from my investment in real time. So this is not to ask you to do the same. But the truth is the company just got started. I have been to so many programs in the past, and I know that when companies are new like this, everything tends to work even very, very well. And it's the prime time to actually get the best of income for such a system, not just by investing, also by the networking. You can also make mega income, even way, 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 way more than what you've got, right? More than what you invested from bringing people on board. Every business today, be it online or physical business, pay people for actually inviting people to their business. So when they create a business, they put aside budget for people who chooses to work with them and bring people to that business. So take a good advantage of it while you still can. Please take note, withdrawals are only made Fridays only. Withdrawals are made submitted Fridays only. So if you do it normal day, that is not on Friday, you're not going to get paid. So take advantage of it. Submit your withdrawal on time, and then the rest assured that you're going to hit your withdrawal will hit your account. That is what I think. That is what I should suggest, and that is what I hope, I believe is going to work, because they are just starting up. And I must tell you at this junction that most companies that are starting up, they are actually, there is what is actually what I call work in progress. The moment people start joining their platform, they begin to detect one or two abnormalities. They begin to correct them as the project continues. All right. You don't expect a company that just starting up to assume that everything is good. Even you, when you're building your house, even when your house looking very good, the day you moved in, you will discover that, oh, this tap is not flowing very well. Oh, it was wrongly connected. Oh, the bulb was not properly connected. The cabling is wrong. For those of us who have built house, all right, you see that this thing is not working well. You now have to call technicians, call the plumber, call the engineer who started the house. Hey, I need this to be corrected. I need that to be corrected. So there is always room for correction. So we have to give them that credit. At least they brought this opportunity, and we believe strongly they are here for a long while, God willing. So please put your faith to work. Put your faith to work, your action to work. For those who want to build with the system, you can actually build a house, own your own house, own your Ferrari, own your Lamborghini, own your electric car, make your trip to Dubai with this business if you choose to build with the company, apart from you just being a participant or investor, right? They need us all to work together in order for them also to grow. So that is my advice. I'm saying all of this based on experiences I've had in the past with various other companies I've worked with. So with this, I want to say, I believe we've done justice to the tutorial aspect. So I will pause it here because this video is going to be published on YouTube for those of us who are not on call to actually replay it later. So I'll pause the recording and then we'll give room for Q&A section.